Pullmans. Good morning. 我们今天是第几天？我们今天目标，我们现在吃早餐。我们目标是动物园，
全部都去。
好 ，we'll see，要不然爸爸又要，好，好 ，we'll go see. Did you have fun yesterday? Looking forward to today. Okay. See you later. The juice bar. 好，你要跟我 share 这个吗 ？Omelette。谢谢。
3个荷包蛋。
Chinese sausage, scrambled eggs, baked pumpkin, waffles, and lots of bacon. 妹妹，早餐好吃吗？你觉得目前什么最好吃？啊？
西瓜。
西瓜。好，你要吃点别的哦。Are you excited to go to the zoo？ 有人还没睡醒，开心吗，姐姐？
还蛮开心，新加坡的灯跟台湾的不一样。
Yay, we're at the Singapore Zoo， 还有 River Wonders 跟 Night Safari。看一下我们今天可不可以把4个都看完。哇，到了 entrance。好 ，Let's go。Oh, Singapore Zoo. We're here. Wildlife Learning Center. 就去看吗？你要接拉车吗？
要。
Welcome to Happy Jubilee Party Trail. 这里是一个 Jubilee Trail。等一下怎么走 ？Animal is it？ 鳄鱼哦。
看到吗？好大哦！
哇，妹妹 ，look a crocodile.
没有太阳。哇。
The monkey is right there. 哇，猴子就在这儿。Mimi, look, they're scratching. Giant turtle. The Noah exhibit. Special event， 你们收集那个章就可以换一个 pin 呢。来，哦，
这个。
Thank you。哦，可以换这个是不是？等一下。
对对，这可以换这个徽章。然后这里面有一个免费的这个书，这个帽子。哦，你要完成这本书，因为我解释一下这本书。
哦，好啊。哦。
这样哎。
哦，这样就完成就可以换了。
对，但是换的不在这里啊。哦。换的要去这个2号餐。
2号 Pavilion by the Lake。
对，你要找这个2号车站，有一个楼梯，下去楼梯往下走，会看到一个类似这样的地方。
好，好，谢谢。
我要书。
This is the map to the Singapore Zoo. Oh, the white tiger 哎，我们去看，好酷哦。
White tiger 是白化的。
对呀。
Oh, there's one too.
Oh, there's one there too. Oh, this is their enclosure. Cool. 妹妹开心吗？有没有可爱？很漂亮哎，她。休息。嗨。好可爱哦，肉肉的。Pygmy hippopotamus, baby hippo， 小小的。跟这些 turtles 在一起，哇，你看它很可爱。来了，妹妹，它来了，嗨，这是什么？哇，好大的乌龟哦！你这次拍好多照片给大家看你的相机，
是动物，
是 rabbit。
台湾的可以。
左边是 Primate Kingdom Elephants of Asia， 右边是 Orangutan， 那边又有一只哦。它这只没有在一直游，它在休息。Baboons。 Babies 就是那些猴子。
They always show your red butt and the camera.
你吓到它了吗？它来了。哎，是不是石虎啊？
不是吧？石虎只有台湾有啊。
没有，石虎在东南亚也有。那它来了耶！石虎。在喝水耶，让它喝水的。在刷东西吧，应该不是画画吧？在咬石头。哦，哇，好近哦！哈哈，那你跟他眼对眼。嗨。嗨。上面真的有山羊哎！在排队走，是吃饭时间。Common Christmas， 超小的，好小，你也只看到它屁股。妹妹那里 ，Rox Hyrax， 那不是 squirrel， chipmunks哦，很可爱耶。这 squirrel 也太大只了吧？看起来好像猫咪哦，好胖哦。Abby, can I see your ice creams? You got a chocolate and 妹妹 got a。你为什么是那样子拿？
因为我不喜欢拆散。
哦，好。Wow, can I see your rainbow pop and smile?
Mine's bigger.
好，那你们一起 smile。
我的太小。
Smile， 妹妹。好。Primate Kingdom. Eastern black and white colobus。看它了。黑白色，它那边还有一只，妹妹你看，
可是不是它是60只啊？
不是这一只，好漂亮哦。
我这个是不是那
这个 ring-tailed lemur， 这好像那个马达加斯加的那个哦，你知道我在讲什么？
那个
那个卡通里。哦 ，passing by the stream， 连厕所都很漂亮。我好像上次有来过这个厕所。哦，那我们赶快。
It's also for positive view. Right now, only the front feet. But in this case, she's raising both.
Hi.
Alright, you might the elephant's natural behavior. Alright? But by asking them to actually lie down inside the water, clean their body down, it allows us to actually inspect every single area of their bodies, right? Their underbellies, their trunks, their ears, even closely inspect the areas surrounding their eyes as well, alright? To make sure there's no here especially, yeah? She's opening her mouth slightly bigger than our pillar, so you can see, yeah? And elephants, alright? Unlike humans, they only have...
我们来做这个幻片。Wow, 4 zoo pins, so cute. Let me see.
I want to.
This one you want to. 啊，这也太可爱了吧 ！You guys can go. If it's too hot， 她说一下子哦。She said it's really hot.
好了。
太烫就出来哦。会不会很烫？It's so cute. Go to different shadows. They said jumping in the shadow is okay. 姐姐，差不多了。Oh, taking the tram. Take the tram to number 1 or number 3.
We're close to the area where the rhinoceroses leave their dung.
You mean it's like a toilet?
Taking the tram.
Wow.
Did you know the white rhinos almost went extinct because of hunting?
Really?
Yes, but
They're eating.
most animals will accept food offered to them readily. Zoo guests should only give them food at token feedings under a keeper's supervision.
Chloe and Ronnie had a baby.
看到它那样子，好可爱哦，可爱哦，嘿嘿，胡子先生。Rainforest Kids World， 可以摸动物。哦 ，and the water park。哦，小猪。哦 ，horses。哦 ，look。Hi, so cute。哇，他们两个在打架哎。Look， 他们在打架。他们，哇！哇哦！
哇，
They're fighting。
那只把一个脚断了。
被他弄断了。哦，哇！你看，他们在生气耶。
弄断了。
他在大便。
Ew. So this is like covered with poop.
你们想玩一下水吗？
Yes. One more thing.
好 ，have fun。Fun， 妹妹。哇，妹妹，is it fun？ 妹妹，姐姐，这个快要下来咯。来，妹妹，姐姐动了，动了。哇！哦，小心！
这还可以爬吗？
好玩吗？是 fun？ 这什么好？这什么最好玩？
谁？
好玩吗，妹妹 ？Do you like the zoo？
第二个可能是坐那个车子。
踩着开的垃圾桶，他可能怕动物跑进去吧。好可爱哦，小孩洗澡的地方。
Alright, now these two dogs have amazing senses. They see many times better than us and have super sense of hearing. I think you need some cheer. Let's cheer for George, guys. Come on, George. All the way, and how are you, George?
Cute。啊，哎 ，smile 姐姐。
波比只是感觉很老，但是它有。
哎呦。
你看，因为它好像有个牌子比较火的。
Fragile Forest。妹妹，我要进去咯。看那个 reptile。我进蝴蝶园了。哦。 Really?
然后我就这样，
You're not supposed to
然后
touch
就这样
them.
然后它就从我手上这样爬。
You know.
妈，你会帮我拍吗？
没有松鼠。
Oh. Oh, good observation.
What is that?
Found it.
不要 feed them, don't touch them, and don't camera them.
Oh, look at this.
啊，是说。
Oh, it's not. Hi. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. It's a sloth. Oh, and a baby sloth.
睡着的树懒。
它在睡觉。
你把它去。
那有个 baby. Yeah, the lemurs. Hi. They discovered this world's largest flower in Singapore. 啊，好多这个。
不一样。哎，我看到4只、5只，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。我看到8只在这里。
Naked mole rats.
也要看。
Looks kind of gross. They are kind of naked. 他们都在睡觉。哦 it's a lion.
这边有一只。
哎，这里耶，妹妹，你这拍得到吗 ？Majestic.
这比较矮的。
嗯。Oh, feeding the zebras. 你要吗？付一个要8块钱。
好啊，我跟我没事。
African painted dogs. White rhinos. Oh, so many seals. Ready? I can't see you. All ready? 1, 2, 3. 好。好可爱哦，好近哦。Africa 怎么会有 penguin 啊？ I don't know. Pelicans and walruses. 里面还有那个哎，哦，好多。Tree kangaroos. OK.
我养这个好可爱哦。
好，什么都要。
这20
好，我们先去那个 bird park 好不好？
我养。
OK. Exit. Let's go to the bird park. 在这边入口搭免费 shuttle 去鸟园，他说2分钟。Oh, this is the blue bird paradise. Birds of paradise. Jurong Bird Park is the one we went to last time. 这是新开的 Sanctuary, Penguin Cove, and Orchid Waterfall. Start with the penguins because we're so hot. Oh, the penguins are swimming. Wow, 好可爱哦！好，我们从企鹅开始是对的。
calls for food, the chicks from the previous year are only now showing.
Oh, she's feeding them. So cute. Oh, here. 看，好酷哦！你看他们很像那个dolphin 你看他们，哇，好可爱哦！哇，好，来了，哇，就在你后面。They're floating here.
妈妈，你看这只，跑到南极吗？
Oh, they're so close. Hi. Okay, enter. I don't know. 怕有鸟吗？
在两边。
Welcome to the land of parrots.
你应该照他们跟
Wow. It's a cockatoo. Wow. Oh, look at the emus. Ah. 小心它咬你。
咬我，它咬不了，它张不了嘴。它用嘴就。
有拍到吗？
这快要没电。
嗯。Mysterious pop toy. Huh? Ooh, a dinosaur bird. Ooh. Wow. I guess they're cleaning the tent. 好恐怖哦。
那应该是空的吧
Taking a break. 姐姐 ，say hi. 哇，它离你好近哦！你看，你过去。那也有一只哎。它干嘛吃这个？它干嘛？
那也贵吗？
I don't know.
I think it's food for things.
还咬那个
哇，妹妹 ，Hi birdie birdie， Hi，
就看我照妹妹的脸，妹妹看我
，Smile，
看
妈咪，
看我啊！
如果
你再上去一点，
骗你，
妹妹看我，
哇，好可爱妹妹，嘿嘿。他在，Be gentle, be gentle.
That's so scary.
应该
Stop biting. 很痛。拍拍也不会痛啊。
哦，真的吗？那你还在那边叫？
就很痒啊。
他说这个是 a pigeon the largest pigeon in the world. 什么？哦，上面很多。啊，好了。特别的 nest 哦。Amazonian jewel。
Amazonian jewel 在这里。这里面才是 Amazonian。
哦 ，flamingo 啊！哇哇！Hey, be careful!
在这边有卖烧的。
哦。啊。哇！Why me first? Whoa!
看那个旁边的鸭子比较好看，有没有看到？
嗯。
姐姐，看旁边的鸭子。
然后妹妹还会这样摸水。
那水很脏，那都鸟。
You have to be open at the same time.
We got stuck.
你知道为什么这样弄吗？
这样两边都可以。
没有，因为怕鸟跑出去，所以一边门关着，一边门才能开。
You have to wait.
我感觉会喂，然后被困住。
Okay, we have to wait till it closes.
有没有看到
Okay, push, push. 好，啊，你们玩个10分钟可以吗？ It's starting to rain. Hi. It's starting to rain. I see. Oh, wings of the world.
So parrots, they meet for life and make devoted parents. There you go. Parrot! Parrot! There you go! Good job! There you go!
Wow. 好可爱哦！哇 ，flamingo 哎！哇！ 哦，你看那只，哦，好玩吗？
Thank you so much for joining us in our adventure.
妹妹，你去把姐姐旁边。这什么样子啊？
你看我。
哇，双胞胎的鸟哎！你这边有一边。
哎，可是没有这种twins的，我想再大。
好 ，smile。
给他交换。
Ostrich skeleton. What? What's it called? Tuco. Toucan. Toucan. Parts of Africa.
你看，居然。
嗯。Oh, the little nest. 好可爱。好可爱哦。 好酷哦！哦，他们都在墙壁上哦。皮卡，
女生的 feather。
Not sure.
我 sure， 因为女生的都会比男生的丑。女生对耶，真的。
I think it's a different bird. 来，坐好啊。
我来啊，我是皮卡。
好，来，好 ，OK。
我都不是应该闭一个眼睛，因为你说看一眼。
哦，好。Look, he has 2 horns. Oh, look at this.
This has 3 horns. No, it has 4 horns. 它有2个嘴巴哦。
Looks like it, right? It's called hornbill. 它 bill 上看起来像有个 horn。
这样你觉得这个会有静电吗？
它在抓羊。
会吧。
美，我这是它爆炸头的鸟。
那你知道每次它就可以。
What is it? It's a gray hornbill. Oh, it's called a laughing thrush. Does it sound like it's laughing?
No.
Hey! 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 Exiting the bird paradise. As usual, the shop. Forest Stream Trail. Hey, we're at the night safari.
这不是去动物园吗？
Yeah, but 它就 different. 它有 show， 还是先坐 tram？
坐 tram。
你要买什么？
我要买这个给外婆。
哦，这要30块耶，那要800台币耶。哦，你那样就可能没钱嘞。没关系，我们继续帮外婆找。你已经找好几个礼物给外婆，你那天也看好多。没关系，慢慢找。Oh, here, 姐姐 let's go in line for the tram. 怎么了？45 minutes. Charlene fell asleep. 太累了。This is the line waiting for the tram. Are you tired?
A little.
Okay. We'll go home and rest after this. Jie, are you excited to go on the tram or are you tired? Oh, okay.
Our tram is here.
Our tram is here? Oh, we're gonna be on this. What? We're 6.
We're 6. So we got the second rule.
Oh, good job. Okay.
It's so good.
So? Hey, 要坐缆车去看动物嘞。哦，妹妹，你看。
The sure-footed has a special hoof. You can raise strapped to break the window.
就在这儿。Lions are
typically comprises
sleeping.
1 or 2 males with distinct feathers, giving it a segmented armor-plated look. While it may look tough, with only 200 individuals left in the wild, starting in the 20th century, Indian rhinos were close to extinction. These social animals form groups called clans. Cape buffaloes, grazing, taking food. We have massive, giant hippopotamuses. They spend most of their day submerged in cool water because he saw a lion when he first landed on the island.
Oh, so you see.
There's just one problem with leaves and fruits. Tapirs,
Oh, it's just here, walking on the road.
they leave the herd to live independently. Male Asian elephants sport tusks that they use for defense. Chawan was rescued as an orphan
King
by
of
the
Night
Chawan
Safari.
River, which inspired his name. One look at Chawan at the first naturally took
好像那个 reindeer.
themselves. This sad story demonstrates
Please only a light on the left hand.
Oh, let's go on some safari trail. Fishing cat trail. 它总共只有4个啦。It's just these 4. Oh, cool. What is it, 姐姐 You see? The signs are like shiny. It's a fishing cat.
Where is it swimming?
No, it's not swimming. Sorry, it's fishing.
Is that a turtle?
Did it catch anything? You're trying? This is a night monkey.
Porcupine. Porcupine.
Can I take a photo for you guys?
It's really a
Leopard trail, I guess. What is that? Looks so big. So big and fluffy.
I kind of want to touch it.
You can't.
I kind of want. 我们刚才直接看后面，结果前面有。
对啊。
这很像 otter。
Yeah, kind of.
它眼睛好大。
Night animals usually have bigger eyes because
I
it
need to
helps
see.
them.
它们的眼睛好恐怖。
Aren't you supposed to be awake?
It's not. Oh, it's breathing. Okay, let's go. 看前面都是。前面这里好。
Oh, wow. There's a big row. What are they doing here?
This is so cute. 不怕吃到对方吗？
Yeah, doesn't it hurt? I'm gonna put my face in your prickly.
还是他们不怕？好像应该他们不怕。
Oh,
好 so cute.
like angry.
好大一只。旁边那接顺，好多。
Go look.
上面有了个，人家说这个是它的命。
Free flying bats.
Banana.
Oh, look, bats.
Banana. Do they eat banana?
Yeah. Oh, look, it's a bat. Ooh, Mimi.
Wow, their wings are so big.
Look. Ooh. Ooh.
The wings are so big.
Oh, look. Is that one too?
Don't be so afraid.
Oh, is he coming?
And then you'll be.
Oh, one's crawling over, Jie. Look at this.
Vampire.
Is he coming to eat?
I think it's no, that's a bat.
It's a bat.
That's a vampire.
Oh, look. Ooh.
You asked to come in here.
Oh, look. They're all crawling all over the... They're crawling all over. Civet walkthrough. Let's go. Oh, cool. Look.
I can't climb.
Yeah. So cute. Oh. Oh, did he just lie down? 我一拍照他就 lie down 吗？
它的尾巴在那。
啊 ，porcupine 怎么尾巴那么长？
它看起来是一个 rat。那也有一只诶，这是什么？
他在吃东西。哇，姐姐你看他脸。
妈妈，你看这有另外一个哎，妈妈这有另外一个，另外一个。
好酷哦！
尾巴长着呢，就那个。
姐姐呢？
小小的那个。
妹妹 ，look at the wolf。
你看这画面。
超大，他在喂它吃饭吧？
它不会吃它。
Looks like a werewolf.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some training with the main wolf. So we have Samantha over here and Houdini at the back. What I'm gonna do is to get her, I'll try to get her to sit down. Give me her paw and open her mouth.
Look at toy.
太可怕了。
哇，好大只！哦，就给他一个 treat， 可爱哦。另外也在后面看。
他比较帅。
Give me my treat. Amphitheater. Creatures of the night.
Wow! Very impressive, but I think that was a little bit too quick. Would you guys like to see that one more time? Okay, one more time.
Oh, 360度。
Wow! You know what? I counted 270 degrees. Not in our very own self, Shami.
Shami.
Yummy.
Those long legs definitely live up to Oh, you bet, right? Absolutely right until a baby porcupine is called a porcupine.
Porcupine. 好可爱哦。好 leaving. Was it fun today, 姐姐? Was the night safari fun? You liked it, 妹妹? 推荐吗？
推荐。
姐姐推荐吗？
所以没有在一起哦。
Taking the Mandai shuttle to MRT to get back. 好，我们来坐 shuttle to the MRT， 好累哦，已经10点了。对啊。7-Eleven， 新加坡的 7-Eleven。好多饮料跟泡面。哇，它的冰柜。哦，a lot of soy milk。哦，买他们当地哇，门口还卖鱼跟虾耶。
妈妈，你看，你的身上都冰起来了。
还有 strawberries， 5个2块。
苹果好。
明天吃早餐就有。
对啊，明天早餐就有。哇哦，火龙果哎。
你要可以买些明天没有。
In the MRT back to City Hall Station， 回去吃泡面。
Hungry。早上我很累。
我们是要 go to Raffles City 吧？是不是？好 ，B 我们上来了，要去回饭店。好，今天结束了。我们好玩吗？
好玩。
觉得什么最好玩？
那个挖了。
妹妹觉得 water park， 姐姐呢？你们最喜欢在动物园玩水哦？这么幼稚。那第二呢
？Night Safari。
哦，你们喜欢 Night Safari。好啊，那我们就赶快回去休息，明天在第3天喽，说拜拜。
拜拜。你不要再看妈妈按着上面就会开始小的，是不是最后这一票？拜拜。
拜拜。